Always consider the risk and responsibilities of SMSFs. All members of an SMSF are responsible for the fund's decisions and for complying with the law. These responsibilities come with risks. You are personally liable for all the fund's decisions, even if you get help from a professional or if another member made the decision. Your investments may not bring the returns you expect. You are responsible for managing the fund even if your circumstances change. For example, if you lose your job. There may be a negative impact on your SMSF if there is a relationship breakdown between members, or if a member dies or becomes ill. If you lose money through theft or fraud, you won't have access to any special compensation schemes. You could lose insurance if you're moving from a professionally managed fund to an SMSF. SMSFs take time and money. Managing an SMSF is a lot of work. Even if you get professional help, it's time-consuming. You need enough time to set up the fund and time to manage ongoing activities such as researching investments, setting and following an investment strategy, accounting, keeping records, and arranging an audit each year by an approved SMSF auditor. SMSF trustees spend on average 8 hours a month to manage an SMSF. That's more than 100 hours a year. The setup and running costs can be high. Ongoing costs include investing, accounting, auditing, tax advice, legal advice, financial advice. In 2016, the average annual cost of running an SMSF was $13,700. You need the financial and legal knowledge and skills to understand different investment markets and build and manage a diversified portfolio. Set and manage an investment strategy that meets your risk tolerance and retirement needs. Comply with tax, super, and investment regulations and laws. Organize insurance for fund members. On average, an SMSF will not perform as well as a professionally managed super fund, also known as an APRA-regulated fund. APRA is the Australian Prudential Regulation Authority. APRA-regulated funds use highly skilled professionals to manage their investments. You need to be confident that the investments you choose will perform better.